Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2018 Holden Trax, stock number 6665. This ran from the 8th 2014 to the 12th 2020. It is a TJ 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a TJ 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guardless flare, left front 16-inch factory magnet tyre. Front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory magnet tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory magnet tyre, right front 16-inch factory magnet tyre, right front door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,